bus station in Hafar al-Batan. Approaching the Arabian Gulf now. We made it onto the bus going to Al Khubar. This is the Arabian Gulf. Welcome to Al Khubar Corniche. After a long and arduous journey across a never-ending stretch of construction work, it seems like we've made it to the Corniche now. We are not allowed to go in. It's like the little Philippines. Hello. Didn't expect it to look like this. This is our first ride on the Riyadh metro. So at last we arrived in our hotel. It was quite a mission. Coming up. Okay, this is not for the faint-hearted. Chicken roast, shawarma, burgers. Hey there everybody, my name is Chris. Join me as I explore this incredible planet. In this video, we travel to the top of Riyadh's Kingdom Tower. Then we explore the streets and souks of the Al Bata district. Right, so at the Al Uruba station on the blue line we got off, and we want to go to the Kingdom Tower, which is in this area, and there it is. So hopefully in a while we'll be there at the top. So in the Kingdom Tower Plaza Mall, you take the stairs up to the first floor on your way to the entrance of the Kingdom Tower. And then next to the Riposi sign, there's the entrance to the Sky Bridge. Okay, so we eventually found the entrance to the Sky Bridge. It's quite difficult to get here. And then the tickets are 138 Riyal each, which is a bit steep, but it's probably a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We're on our way there. And another lift. Now we're going to floor 99. It takes 2 lifts to get us to the top.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Emma?
Yeah, I don't know what is there. Very tall tower. Kingdom. The Kingdom Tower of Riyadh. At least I have experience here.
And we are here. Here we are. Okay, this is not for the faint-hearted. To the Burj Mamlakah, the Kingdom Tower in Riyadh. That would be the south side. Certainly not a place for people with a fear of heights. If high places make you feel a little queasy, then this is not for you. That would be the north side, if I have my bearings correct. So we are right at the top now of that building in Riyadh that looks like a bottle opener. Yeah, you're feeling okay, Emma? Dizzying. It's a little dizzying. Beautiful, beautiful view. Walking across to the other side. There's Emma. Enjoying the view, being higher than anybody else in Riyadh right now. Oh, we stand at the highest part of the bridge. Okay, just about now we're at the highest part. Back down on Mother Earth, it was time to head to our next destination, the Al-Bata district. Okay, so we are here in the Al-Bata area. Is more the colorful blue collar area of Riyadh. It's an amazing experience just walking around here, all the sights and smells and sounds and colors everywhere. And we're sitting here upstairs. They have a downstairs section, but since Emma is with me, we are here in the family section. Just see they have a menu there on the wall. They have all kinds of things here. Chicken roast, shawarma, burgers. Very nice menu. And yeah, the gentleman who's helping us. Hi guys, how are you? You're on YouTube now. In our next video, we journey to the old Arabian castle of Riyadh. We also explore the exciting nightlife area of Times Square, so make sure not to miss it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button. See you on the streets of Riyadh.